We're taking a look at the Logitech G915 mechanical gaming keyboard. It's made from aluminum alloy and it's a little over 2 pounds. Turned out just to be a little heavier than I expected, but I do love how strong and sturdy. Feels like a tank. Of course, be careful when dropping this thing. It is a bit heavy. I love the custom effects you can add to the keys. Over time I got used to the weight and the sensitivity of the keys, but due to the layout I kept always hitting the macro keys here, which they can be disabled, but I either slide my fingers under or just grab an open space. I like how you can connect to the Wi-Fi dongle or to the Bluetooth, so I can have one for my laptop or one for my desktop PC. I didn't like that it uses the micro USB. Some people may prefer the clickiness, but linear keys really don't make that much noise. It really depends on how hard you're going to strike the keys. So if you're just going to type softly, it doesn't really make that much noise. But you can always type a little bit harder. And this has been the Logitech G915 mechanical gaming keyboard with linear switches.